author's intent, the goal here is, are you trying to entertain people? Is it just purely for entertainment? Is it trying to inform us of something, persuade us as an audience, or even critique something about society or something around? Like, what's the goal here of this play? Um, our, as an author, we want to have shared experiences, and maybe this is your opportunity to share said experiences with the audience. What does that look like? Okay. And then also, lastly, make sure you have the theater context, meaning of the list of theaters that we had in our readings for last week, which of those would you use? Which one stands out best for you? Maybe you need an all around. Maybe, the characters need to keep moving, and there's something about that that creates the atmosphere that you need for what it is you're trying to say. Maybe you need a thrust stage, one that's out in the audience that creates some other type of feeling, like we're out here, see us, what does it mean? Maybe you need the little black box. Maybe you're doing something experimental and you need minimalism. Maybe that's the goal here. You're going to have to tell me and your audience, like, why is it important that you pick this particular theater? Maybe it's an outdoor arena. Any of the different options that you see here, pick one that you feel will work best for you and tell us why. And then lastly, to present this information, I might regret this later, because I don't know how it's going to be if I give too many options, but you're free to create this in an essay form or like a PDF, Canva, you name it. Whatever you feel will work best for you to show me your understanding of the material. As much as I really like essays, I feel like, I don't know, I'm debating on that one, but you can do an essay, you can do a PowerPoint. The whole point is, I just want you to show me your understanding of the drama and how you would create it and what that would look like. You're presenting this to me. You're going to say, this is what I plan on doing. In other words, you're selling me on the idea, and I want you to sell it to me to where I want to, yes, put you in my theater. I want to present your play in some way. How do you want me to do that? So present your information. Again, you can do it in like a proposal in some way. It could be an essay. It could be a PowerPoint. It could be a Canva. I really want to leave it open, because I recognize that it's not if I were to just say, oh, do this also in a PowerPoint, if you're not if you don't feel like you are a creative person, it might be an overload. You might be like me, where I'm like, I need bullet points. I just need to write it in an essay. You could do that too. So I do leave this open for however you feel it best to present this information to me. You can reach out to me and ask me questions on what you feel, hey, can I do this? Can I do that? I'll probably give you the thumbs up. It's rare that I won't. But cite your sources, especially when you do your historical context. So make sure you cite the information that you get. If you do pictures or images, make sure you just cite where you got it from. But other than that, go forth, have fun. I hope this becomes more of like, it feels interactive, so you feel like you have learned something a little bit more rather than just regurgitating something that you read online through a Google thing, right? That's the goal here, is to be interactive and to show me what you learned. And by showing me, you're going to be a little creative. So anyway, that's the goal here. Message me if you have questions.